Hi, welcome to this case study where we will demonstrate how digital learning has helped our clients with sales capability enhancement. A sales company trains its spread out sales force on applying the best forecasting and inventory planning system and replaces the traditional classroom style with digital learning only for better effectiveness. Business context. Usha International is a consumer sales organization that operates through geographically spread out dealer network and local sales presence. As the revenue for the company was on the rise, there was a disproportionate rise in the inventory cost, which could be reduced with better planning from the sales personnel across the division. Company had invested in a new, more evolved ERP module where forecasting could be recorded. The company conducted classroom training programs across India by very senior people at central locations to accommodate as many sales personnel as possible. Computers were also arranged to give them a walkthrough of how to do planning and forecasting in the new system. The challenge. These classroom sessions proved to be of little success. After running these sessions for over a year, very little impact was realized. People did not remember much to start making changes in the way of their working. There was also no way to ensure that everyone understood the concepts and the workflow of the application, which was critical to success of this initiative. And salespeople who got left out, there was no way to train them. No refreshers were available to review the training, as the training was fairly complex with application workflows, and there were also no reinforcement or forums to clarify the concept on a later review. Our diagnosis. We understood that a more robust learning experience is required, as it is critical to business success that can teach the new concepts. We understood that what the company was hoping to achieve is outside the scope of what traditional training can achieve for them. Given the context, we recommended a solution that is scalable and provides adequate practice on applying the newly learned concepts of planning and forecasting, and lots of self-hand practice on maneuvering through the new workflow in the new ERP module. Both of these were new to the sales staff. Our solution. We worked closely with the SME team and understood the tactical changes they are wanting to bring to the working of their sales personnel. Based on these performance objectives, we created multiple hypothetical scenarios where learners can apply the concepts in a sandbox. Working with the SMEs, we preempted the kind of wrong responses learners may give given their old style of functioning and provided clear feedback that helps them realize which step have they miscalculated. Such clear feedback was the key to help learners identify which specific step they were doing wrong and what needs to be done instead. After mastering the application of concepts conceptually and created a simulation of the application and provided hypothetical scenarios for them to input their planning figures in the right boxes, this simulated real-life usage of the application. The impact. The full-day training program was compressed in a 1.5 hour of digital learning experience. The product was scalable and repeatable. Any employee can review it as many times and whenever they like. There was no one who would be left out in this approach. A complete reporting solution was developed for them where individual divisions and managers can track their teams and push for completion of their modules. Individual task-wise score was available for the management to identify personnel who would need more attention or coaching. Client testimonial. We have engaged LearnTech to develop a training on sales forecasting and inventory management. LearnTech worked very closely with our SME team and created a product that was well appreciated by all stakeholders. They also enabled digital delivery for our organization, which made the process of training management so much simpler and effective. I have engaged LearnTech for many projects now. They have time and again delighted us with their service delivery. They bring to the table clear understanding of the business requirements, outstanding design capabilities across many domains, out-of-the-box innovative solution design. I recommend LearnTech to all serious learning and development leaders.